go. We're almost to the end of this level.
Oh, no, run away, over there.
Yeah, over there.
I'm going forward. I'm going forward. Me.
I'm going to shoot. Oh no!
Oh, do that,
No! Green, wait for him!
Over there?
Got it.
In the levels, run.
Lollipop.
Thank you. I have to kill him. Pretty fast.
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Wait, green. Stop.
Lollipop.
Come on.
Green, wait for him.
Lollipop.
Who the fastest? I'm gonna go fast.
Green, you don't even have a hat.
Are you fast?
Green has been pretty fast over the time.
Wait, blue.
Yeah.
Wait, blue. Let me go on your head. I want to go on your head.
Start going fast.
Dark blue.
Don't
Don't stick out my head.
Me.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, I remember you.
Well, you got green.
Whoever's green and it has wings.
So we're going to Dreamcore?
Or actually wait for me.
Oh no.
But
I'm
it depends if they come or not.
I don't care. I'm better at running.
Wait,
any person would do.
Yo, how do I climb?
Even that one person I did a Dreamcore run with and ran straight to the
I think we are going to. Oh yeah, here it is. Got to turn on my volume.
You don't have to go.
I did a
It's
Dreamcore
loud.
run
It's
with
loud
a
here. It's
person.
loud here.
You guys are gonna have to run.
They
fast,
ran
because
into
there's
the
gonna be a
monster.
doll chasing
Go.
us.
Just go. Just book it.
3, 2, 1,
Yeah,
go.
we know what chase is.
Go.
Go,
Run.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
Yeah, we made it. Alright.
Go. Keep running. Go fast. I was going to the bathroom.
I did it! I got left off, but I got past it!
Just keep running.
Yo, are we going to Dreamcore or Backrooms?
We should do bathrooms. It's easier.
Dreamcore!
No, we have to fall. We gotta go. We gotta fall.
Yeah, you gotta fall for Dreamcore.
Yeah, we have to fall for Dreamcore.
Well,
Okay, guys, let's get a Dreamcore.
I've never been to Backrooms, but I guess Dreamcore. A bit overrated in my opinion.
There we go. Green gets it.
Backrooms pretty underrated in my opinion. I'll be more scary though.
Green, save me.
Sticking a turkey out for the Rizla.
Let's wait for everyone.
Yeah.
Green. I don't want to leave any people. Don't stick out my head to do those. Wait. I'll miss you guys. I have to get off.
Lollipop.
man.
Oh, see ya, man. See ya.
It's okay. Next time when I see you guys, I'll be happy.
Alright, gotta tap him. I got it.
Okay, got it. Everyone, this one. One day, re-added it, and I'm pretty sure it's like 2 minutes.
I've actually never been here during night, and I don't want to.
Nothing is chill. Oh yeah, the monster can get all the way up there.
Oh shoot, I accidentally got off. I accidentally fell off. Wait, green. Dark blue. I accidentally fell off. I fell off.
Oh no!
Yeah, so there's one eye over there.
I'm at the last time.
Where's my better at? I'm Dreamcore!
I need help.
Wait.
Yo, where you guys at?
Go to that door. All of us have to press that eye. Wait, make sure all of us have to press that eye.
Please, don't leave me behind.
Wait, great, I didn't even press the eye. No. I'm low-key actually literally I didn't even touch the red eye.
I need help, bro. I need help. I need help.
Red eye inside on your head.
Yo, I need to get someone's head. I'm not fast enough. I'm not fast enough.
If I don't go in that gate,
Yo, I'm gonna go speedrun Dreamcore, guys.
guys don't literally let me touch the red eye.
Yo, someone help. Someone help. Someone help me. I'm at the house. I'm at the last house. I'm like the third house. Someone come get me. I don't want to be
Where are
alone.
you?
Last house. I'm like at the third house. I don't want to be alone right now.
Well, you have to press the eye though.
I don't want to be alone right now, dude. I don't want to be alone doing this. Someone please help.
Yo, where is everyone?
We're at Dreamcore.
Oh, bro, y'all are at the houses?
Yeah. Someone come pick me up, bro. Someone come pick me up.
I just started.
We're almost about level 2.
Wait, someone pick me up. I actually don't want to be alone. I don't want to be alone.
I got. Oh no, I didn't.
Wait, Black. Someone please. Someone help me get up there.
Hey, wait. I'm gonna sit here waiting.
Wait, someone please. Wait, Black. If you're able to come back. Black. I mean, dark blue.
No, we don't have to.
I'm cooked. I told you I don't want to be alone.
Wait, let me get on you.
Yo, wait, please.
Yeah, you're hooked. Run!
Oh my god.
Finally. Wait, let me grab onto your head.
Dude, my heart is beating.
Wait, y'all wanna wait for the people or like go? No, you'll pick
No, I'm gonna just eat them.
I thought I was cooked there, bro. I thought I was cooked. My heart was beating fast because I hate being alone in scary games.
I'm gonna stay on your head. Just let me
Now I know what different fake. Holy bro, I'm getting so much.
No!
Dude, I don't even know how the gate even opened. I didn't even get all the eyes.
Finally, I'm at Dreamcore. Finally. Oh, yo, bro, I'm already at level 2. 30% of the people are already in level 2.
I know whatever you want.
Do you know the path?
Wasn't it that way?
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Yeah, he's coming. That one person.
You guys know the path, right?
Yeah.
No, I said y'all could go to Dreamcore without me. I said it's fine. Where you guys at? Where you guys at?
Dreamcore.
Wait for me. I'm coming down.
Okay,
Don't go yet.
got my head.
Dude, I almost fell off this man's head and I thought I was cooked because I'm not
What are you
fast.
waiting for?
You're that exit.
Waiting for me.
Wait,
That one.
over here?
That one's the.
No.
That one's true.
Wait,
no,
who
that
just
one's
finished Lollipop?
Yeah. Oh yeah, Lollipop's scary in my opinion. For me. Also, it's just loud.
true. Let me try.
Of Dreamcore, you're at the store?
Get on.
Get on. Irene.
Wait,
I'm about to
I'll
finish.
get on. I'll get on somewhere. Look.
Come back.
I'll get on one side.
No,
Don't be next to the way.
I can't. I'm gonna
Oh, and this one we have to book it.
I'll get on.
Book it.
Then just turn back around. Wait, no. Wait.
Y'all are here without me?
Oh,
Wow, y'all are.
he's cooked. There's no going back.
So rude.
He's just cooked there. There's no going back.
You can get on.
I don't know. Should we risk it?
Hell no, bro. I'm leaving you.
Do it. If we die, we go out together.
Are you on?
Go.
I can't help.
Where is everybody? Still a bit of speed. Y'all are still
way too far ahead, bro.
Where is everybody?
I ain't doing it. No, wait.
Oh, here they come.
Y'all are in the first house? I'm already done, and you guys were here before me.
We've been done.
Where is everybody?
Not you guys, you idiots, little kids that I made.
Where are you guys? We're finally here.
Okay, I'm gonna jump. Yo, don't die.
Finished. Don't jump
Just
down there.
don't
Don't jump
die.
down there. There's no point. There's just a big
No, they're doing something.
You just have to go there.
We're gonna get back to spawn, okay, guys?
Yep, I know.
I'm pretty sure you have to let go while doing this.
What map are you guys
Be careful. They're probably.
I think it bugs your game
I'm
if you
in level
don't.
2 of Dreamcore.
You better run. Unlock this comes work. Wait,
I think it'll bug your game if you do it. If you like hang on someone's head while you're doing it. So do we just jump down?
Simba!
Long live the king. Big on my head.
Jump on Dreamcore, by the way. Nobody asked. You're just mad that I'm in corner. I did it! Yes! That's their name tag for that. Oh, man. Are you finally finished? Are you finished?
I don't think we're gonna make it. I'm just kidding.